So here we have the Nissan Qashqai on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in, and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. They're 54,466. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information for various different menus, your audio, sat-nav, for example, and various other settings, driving aids, etc. It's all done via the buttons just here. We have our stereo controls, we have cruise control, speed limiter and phone controls all on the right hand side. Into the center, the main screen for the car. So first thing we'll talk about is the parking camera. At the moment what you're looking at is a front facing camera and the bird's eye view image of where the car is currently parked. You can have the same front facing camera and the front passenger side wheel, and if we put the vehicle into reverse, the front camera is replaced, of course, with a reversing camera. These two options down the bottom will enable the car to autonomously park itself. It'll either do bay parking or perpendicular parking, whatever you want to call it, or it will do parallel parking. So you select what you want to do. The car will tell you when it finds a space that's big enough, and it will control the steering for you. If we go to the main menu from there, all your options along the bottom, including pairing your phone. We have an info menu, so for example, sat-nav info, traffic info, your audio menu, which is the one I guess you're probably likely to use the most. We have AM, FM and DAB radio, CD player, USB input, Bluetooth audio or auxiliary input, Android Auto. We've also got Apple CarPlay as well, so depending on what device you have, you'll be able to use those. We have satellite navigation. Really nice, clear color display. It's a very easy system to use ultimately. Below that, dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature, increase and decrease the fan speed, and change the direction you'd like the air distributed in. Air conditioning's off. Back on again from here, or hit auto. The car will now take full control for you to maintain the temperatures you have asked for. You can override that whenever you wish to. We have a 12-volt charging socket, electronic handbrake with an auto hold function, the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox, 2 cup holders, and then both driver and passenger heated electric. Last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof. There is a sunblind that will open all the way to the back of the rear seat, and with that open, that will let in a huge amount of extra light to this cabin area. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.